BIOS installation guides explain boot order settings in BIOS. In today's tech-driven world, many people are setting up new computers or installing operating systems. A common question arises: will operating system installation guides explain boot order settings in the basic input-output system? This topic is trending as users seek clarity on how to successfully install their operating systems without running into issues. When you install an operating system, the boot order plays a vital role. The boot order determines which device the computer will use to load the operating system first. This could be a USB drive, a DVD, or an internal hard drive. If the boot order is not set correctly, you may encounter frustrating errors during the installation process. For instance, if you see a message like "Disk boot failure, insert system disk and press enter," it often indicates that the BIOS is trying to boot from a non-bootable device. This is where the installation guides come into play. Most guides will instruct you on how to enter the BIOS setup. Typically, this involves pressing keys such as F2, delete, or escape during startup. Once in the BIOS, you can adjust the boot priority settings. This ensures that your installation media, such as a USB or DVD, is the first device the system tries to boot from. This step is crucial for starting the operating system setup correctly. Different operating systems may have slightly different requirements for boot order settings. However, the general principle remains the same across platforms. Installation guides for Windows, Linux, macOS on compatible hardware, and Chrome operating system often include sections on accessing the BIOS and changing boot order settings. This is particularly important for users installing an operating system on new machines or performing clean installs. By following the guidance in these installation guides, users can avoid common boot-related errors and ensure a smooth installation process. In summary, operating system installation guides typically do explain boot order settings in the basic input-output system. This information is essential for successfully booting from installation media and completing the operating system installation process. By understanding how to set the boot order correctly, users can navigate the installation process with confidence.